In this video, we're going to cover Katana and BigCommerce's order fulfillment sync. So what exactly does this sync do? It makes it possible so that anytime an order is marked as delivered inside of Katana, its corresponding sales order in BigCommerce will be marked as completed. On the vice versa of that, if you mark a order in BigCommerce as completed, it will change the status of the order in Katana to delivered or done. So to test this out, you need to make sure that the setting is turned on within your integrations configuration. So to do that, you'll go to the integration section, choose BigCommerce if you're already connected, and select the reconfigure button and turn this checkbox on if it isn't already marked. Now, the reason why this might be turned off is because you don't want to turn the setting on until you're actually ready to work with live customer orders. The reason being is that if you turn the sync on and you start testing Katana, if that is turned on, you might have a situation where you might accidentally email a customer that their order is completed, but in reality that might not be the case. So be very careful with it. Make sure you're ready to work with live orders prior to activating it, or if you want to test it, you should make some fake orders with fake email addresses as an example. So we'll go ahead and make sure that is activated and choose confirm. From here, we'll go back to our sales page to make sure that everything is ready to go. Now, you can't do any fulfillments until you have the items in stock, so make sure all of your items are presently in stock before committing to this. So the first thing we're going to do is do it on the BigCommerce side, where we'll take order 102 and change it from awaiting fulfillment to completed. Once the status has been updated, it will send a notification to Katana for order 102 that this order should now be marked as delivered on the Katana platform. So as you can see, order 102 is no longer on the open list. This means that if we go to the done screen, you should see that order 102 has been marked as fulfilled or completed from the Katana side. Now, when it comes to order completions on the Katana side and pushing those updates back to BigCommerce, let's go ahead and work with order number 103. And what we'll do in this case is we'll change it from not shipped to deliver all. And when that status changes, it drops off the open list. It goes to the done list, order 103, marked as delivered. And then if we open up the BigCommerce page, we can see that order 103, currently in awaiting fulfillment status, it should be updating very shortly to completed. Let's give it a quick refresh. And here you see order 103 is now marked as completed. Now, this feature is in its early stage, so at the time of me making this video, do keep an eye out for any updates to this, because when it comes to BigCommerce, there is a large number of different types of statuses for these orders. Katana does support certain workflows, like partially shipped, for example. So in the future, we would be looking to sync those different types of statuses between BigCommerce and Katana, or by the time you watch this video, those features might already be live. But at the time of making this, this is the current status. That is the order fulfillment sync. I hope that you found this video useful. And in the next couple of videos, I'm going to show you how the order fulfillment sync works directly with not only items from stock, but also items that are utilizing the make to order workflow.